Welcome to Episode 3. Now that you've thrown the ball out, it's time to watch everyone kick it around the field. Double-click that poor little card, and we'll enter this communication hell, the high-efficiency collaboration interface. Tasks usually need a lot of onlookers. In the Members section, you can freely add teammates. These blue member chips are like the spectator stands, showing exactly how many people are staring at your card right now. It's pretty hard to play dead when you've got an audience. The conversation history below preserves everyone's battle of words in detail. Whether you're reporting progress or explaining why your code broke again, write it here. Once you hit save, everyone involved will instantly receive your soul-searching interrogation. If you have any evidence, or if you want to drop an even bigger bomb on someone else, use attachment management. Add the files directly to the attachment management area. That way, if something goes wrong later, you can gracefully point at the attachment and say, "Hey, I did upload the file back then." Congrats, you've learned the correct posture for soulful exchange. In the next episode, we'll move into the favorite part of professionals, meaning the bosses, time management and proof of work. Progress visualization. See ya in the next one. Keep it up, okay?